All right, so we need to brainstorm ideas. To brainstorm ideas for a game, first things, let's think about games you like. Ask yourself, what are games that I like? Why do I like them? What pieces about those games make them fun? With thinking about that, write all these ideas down. Don't try to pick the good ones from the bad ones yet. After you have a long list of ideas, go ahead and start whittling them down to the ones you think are the best. Find those ideas that are great. So maybe you like puzzle games and you like the idea of using shapes. Maybe you also like the idea of competitive scoring games. So you might think about that. You might also think of games that you like to play, like, for example, Tetris. There are many ones. Pong. These games that you might have heard about in the past that you might want to try building and making your own, maybe adding elements that were not in them before. Go ahead, have a lot of fun, and bring those ideas down once you have brainstormed out a lot of cool things. And then the next step is to take that and start thinking about how you will go about coding it. What objects will you need? What conditionals, what variables, how is it going to look when you code it? And just listing down a little bit of the idea before going to code. It will really help to break down the idea before you start trying to write all the code for it. And then, before you, once again, write that code, try drawing pictures, sketches, and I'm talking super rough sketches on how your game will look, and make that a key piece of your design. Think about how you want them to look and how they will interact with each other, and maybe even draw a few pictures to kind of show gameplay in action. Once you have all these ideas kind of figured out, go ahead and submit the main ideas along with some of your plans in the Understanding Challenge. And you can then move on to the next activity where we'll be implementing your design. So, see you in the next activity.